going to be controversial. I really don't understand what this fuss is all about. Good morning. I hope, guys, you're fine today. As I'm sitting here in Alaska drinking my morning coffee on the porch in 67-degree weather, I'm going to address all those new rules, real estate rules, especially for buyers and sellers, that are supposedly affecting our business. So starting August 1st in New Jersey and August 17th, everywhere in the real estate world in the US, as a buyer's agent, you're not allowed to show homes until you have a buyer's agency agreement with your clients in place. And what's different about this new exclusive buyer's agency agreement is that in that agreement, you have to have more specifications. For example, you have to specify how much you are charging your client for your services as a buyer's agent, just in case the seller doesn't cover your commission. Commissions were always negotiable in New Jersey. So the seller could say, I'm not paying buyer's agents anything, let's just put 0 in the MLS. But it's still negotiable. The seller can still say that. Nothing has changed in that regard. However, I think knowing that the lawsuit was settled, I feel like sellers are going to feel more, how to say it, incentivized not to offer buyer's agent's commission, which is fine also. So number one thing, you have to put the number, the percentage. So when you look at the form, you will see that some agencies are gonna charge their buyers a flat fee, which KW doesn't do. Some of them are gonna charge the retainer fee, like an attorney would, for example, or a surgeon before you do the surgery. But KW is not doing that either. So we only charge a percentage, and you have to talk to your agent about that beforehand. Another thing is you can put different kinds of requirements. For example, one of my clients 2 weeks ago told me, Dagmara, I don't want you to show me homes in a flat zone. So we put that paragraph in the form, but I don't understand what this fuss is about. If your clients don't want to sign the buyer's agency agreement, just don't work with them. I mean, if somebody doesn't see the value you provide, then why would you waste your time on them anyway? So, number one, you have to put the commission you charge just in case the seller doesn't cover it. Number two, which is most important for buyers and for the buyer's agents actually, is the fact that in the past, there was a little line that said in the MLS, in the description for the agents, how much commission the seller is offering to buyer's agents. This line, this paragraph was taken away completely. There cannot be any mentioning of the commission that's offered towards the buyer's agents anywhere in the MLS. So now, instead of just looking it up before you show the home, you have to contact the listing agent and find out, is the seller offering any kind of commission for buyer's agent? And if so, how much it is, right? That's as simple. So that's one extra step. So I really don't understand what this fuss is all about. This is going to be controversial.